According to Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, you should get up early in the morning. According to Rig Vedas, you should get up early in the morning. Aristotle also said you should get up early in the morning. So everyone online, whoever wants you to grow, is talking about getting up early in the morning. But the point is, do you feel like getting up early in the morning? This is a very big question. Do you feel like, is it affecting your entire day? If it is not affecting your entire day, if you do not feel the lack of time in your life, then I think whatever time you are getting up could be the perfect time for you. But if you feel that you are running short of time, then getting up early could be a very good idea for you. The biggest challenge of getting up early is to feel that there is nothing that is motivating me to get up early. Do you have this question that there is nothing that motivates me to get up early? If you have this question, then you should find an answer to it too. You need to check out that if there is an urgency of catching a flight, do you get up early? If yes, then catching up the flight motivates you to get up early. Similarly, what can motivate you to get up early every day? It could be setting up a routine. What kind of routine should I set so that I can get up early? This could be a question for you. What kind of motivation should I have so that I can get up early? What kind of activities should I come up with so that I can get up early? It is not just about getting up early in the morning. It is about finding that particular activity, that particular motivation, and that particular routine. More important, the night before, so that you can sleep on time. If you find that more important than what you are doing at night, then you will sleep on time and you will get up at the time you want to get up. So, the questions you need to ask yourself is, what is going to motivate me to get up early? What kind of actions I need to take to get up early? And what are the habits I need to develop to get up early? And what kind of routine I need to have to get up early? You can choose your own questions, but ultimately the answer that you will get out of these questions should be deep enough to make you do what you want to do, to make you get up early in the morning and actually take actions. Because if you do not take action for a few days after getting up early, maybe you won't get up early for a long duration of time. Maybe after a few days you will stop getting up early. So, if you want to get up early, ask yourself the right questions. And the right questions are those questions that will define your motivation towards getting up early.